Now, as we go, look out for the things on your sheet. When you see them, you can tick them off.
We've got our pencils, all ready for ticking.
Oh, that's an interesting pencil, Ruby.
Ooh! Excellent.
And I've got my binoculars to look at things far away and my magnifying glass to see things that are much closer. Ah!
It's only me, Tommy.
OK, class, it's time to begin. Follow me.
Oh, look, a ladybird.
Yes, that is a ladybird on a leaf.
Ladybird is on our sheet. Tick.
Oh, I wonder what they'll find next.
The woods are my favorite place in the whole world.
Aha!
Oof.
Ooh! Now, does anyone know what this is?
It's a tree.
A very big one.
That's right. It's called an oak tree, and it's one of the biggest and oldest trees in this wood. You can tell it's an oak tree from the shape of its leaves. See how they're wavy around the edge.
The oak tree is on our sheet.
Well done, Maya. Let's carry on. Stay close, everyone.
Stop!
What is it, Tommy?
I found animal footprints.
Well spotted, Tommy.
What animal are they from?
I'm not quite sure.
Can we follow them and find out which animal they belong to?
That's a great idea, Maya. We can look for clues along the way.
This is exciting. I wonder where the tracks will take us.
Something has been eating the leaves.
And what does that tell us?
Maybe it's a caterpillar. They eat leaves.
I think the bite in the leaf is too big to be a caterpillar, Emily. Carry on, children.
And Tommy looks like he spotted something else.
Here's another clue.
Good work, Tommy. These are animal droppings. It is what is left behind when an animal goes to the toilet.
They are very small.
Yes, Maya, which means the animal would be quite small.
Our toilet droppings on our nature trail sheet, Miss Teach.
No, I didn't think to include that.
Look! The footprints go this way now.
It could be a squirrel. I love the way their noses twitch.
Yes, they are cute. But squirrels live in trees, Maya.
Oh, yes. And they eat nuts, not leaves.
That's right, Maya.
Stop!
I wonder what Tommy has found now.
The footprints stop here, right beside this hole in the ground.
Wonderful. This is an animal's burrow, which means the animal we've been tracking lives inside it.
Hello? Is there anybody home?
They probably can't hear you, Maya, as animal holes can go very deep underground.
But what animal does it belong to?
Let's look at the clues we found.
One nibbled leaf.
We saw animal droppings.
Maybe it's a bear.
I think this hole is too small for a bear.
Yes, he'd probably get stuck trying to get in and out.
So, what animal is quite small, eats green leaves, and lives underground?
We don't know, Miss Teach.
It's fluffy with long floppy ears.
A rabbit!
That's right. It's a rabbit hole.
Ooh! Mya go every day. Mya go laugh and play. Mya go, what do we say? Mya go digging!